Okay, we go throughout the some basic definitions. In first one is the bound electrons. Bound electrons means all the valence electrons in an isolated atom are bound to their parent nuclei or called as bound electrons. Here all the valence electrons in an isolated atom. Isolated atoms means it is a mean basically it means a atom which exists separately without any bonding with other atoms, because normally all atoms are bounded together by strong nuclear force and to their parent nuclei. Parent nuclei means it is divided into two or more daughter nuclei is called as parent nuclei, are known as the bound electrons. Then second, free electrons. We know the free electrons, they are free to move. Here, free electrons is defined as electrons which moves freely or randomly in all direction in the absence of external field in the metal. In metal, all the electrons are free to move. Absence of external field is called as free electrons. Next is the third one, drift velocity. Drift velocity is defined as the average velocity acquired by the free electrons in a particular directions during the presence of electric field. The presence of electric field, the electrons are in a particular directions. To get the average velocity is known as drift velocity, and drift velocity is denoted as Vd. Then next one is electric field. Electric field is denoted as E. Electric field is familiar with us. E is equal to V by L. That is, a V means potential drop and L means unit length. Drift velocity, electric field E is defined as the electric field E of a conductor having a uniform cross section is defined as potential drop per unit length. E is equal to V by L. The voltage SI unit is volt and L SI unit is meter. The V by M. The next is current density. Density, we know the what is meant by density. Density is defined as mass by volume, and current, the flow of charges, is known as current. The current density is denoted as J, and it is defined as current per unit area of cross section of an imaginary plane held normal to the direction of the flow of current in a current carrying conductor. In the conductor, the current flow per unit area of cross section is known as the current density, and that is given as J is equal to I by A. I is the current, A is the area of cross section. Then sixth one, relaxation time. Here relaxation time is denoted as tau r. The average time in which the drift velocity of an electron decay to 1 by e times of its initial velocity is known as relaxation time. Here decay means disintegration. The initial velocity is disintegrate by 1 by e times to get the average time of drift velocity of the electrons is known as relaxation time. Then mean collision time. We know the collision, and that collision is the, here collision means collide between the two electrons. The mean collision time tau, the average time taken by electrons between two successive collision during their random motion is called as mean collision time, and it is denoted by tau. When the electrons are moved in the random motion, they are collide to each other. Then we get the average time to the successive collision during their random motion is called as mean collision time. Then mean free path. The average distance traveled by electrons between two successive collision during their random motion is called as mean free path, and it is denoted by lambda. Here the average distance that electrons are traveled one position to another position or move one position to another position, we calculate that average distance by traveled electrons to the successive collision is called as mean free path. Here mean free path is denoted as lambda. The next, here free electron concept is discovered by the two ways. One is a classical free electrons theory, another one is the quantum free electrons theory. We see one by one. Here classical free electrons theory, it is discovered by the scientists Drude and Lorentz. Here the Drude and Lorentz is said that this theory is developed in the 19th century. According to this theory, the metal is consist electrons, the free to move above in a crystals like molecules of a gas in a container. The mutual repulsion between the electrons is ignored, and hence potential energy is taken as zero. Therefore, the metal energy of the electrons is equal to kinetic energy. Here this theory is said that metal is a consist of the atom is a consist of the electrons are the free to move. That free electrons is behaves like a molecules of a gas in a container, so that mutual repulsion between the electrons is ignored, and that potential energy is zero. When potential energy is zero, then total energy of that electrons is equal to kinetic energy. We discuss the some assumption of classical free electrons theory one by one. There are four assumption classical free electrons theory. First one is atom in a metal are considered to be made up of ion cores which are nuclei surrounded by inner electrons excluding the valence electrons, and the valence electrons which are free to move anywhere inside the sample. Here metal is a consist of the atom in that proton neutrons are present and electrons are revolves around the nucleons. In that inner electrons excluding the valence electrons and valence electrons which are free to move anywhere inside the sample. Then consider the valence electrons. Valence electrons are free to move in the anywhere in that sample. Then next one is the effect of electric potential due to positive on cores on the electrons is considered to be constant and hence neglected. Here the effect of electric potential of the positive ions is constant and neglected. And third one is the electrostatic force of the repulsion between the electrons and the force of attraction between the electrons and the ions core is neglected. Here electrostatic force of repulsion here means electrons having the negative charge. The like charges are repel each other, unlike charges are attract each other. These two electrostatic forces are neglected. Then fourth one, the electrons in a metal are considered equivalent to molecular in a gas, and hence the gas law are made applicable to the electrons in a metal. According here the electrons in that classical free electrons theory, the free electrons is behaves like the molecules in a gas, so that here gas law is obeyed. According to the distribution of energy and velocity is assumed to follow Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. Here Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics is given by 3 by 2 kT is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Then expression for the drift velocity. We know the basic definition of drift velocity. Then it is mathematically represented as Vd is equal to E capital E by m tau. E is the charge of the electrons, E is the electric intensity, m is the mass, tau is a mean free. Tau is the mean collision time. Then the next is expression for current in a conductor. The current flowing throughout a conductor is given by I is equal to Ne Vd A. N here A is the area of cross section of a conductor, N is the number of free electrons per unit volume in the metal. I is the current flowing throughout the conductor. E is the charge of the electrons, and Vd is the drift velocity of the electrons. The next is electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity is defined as the current density per unit electrical field is called electrical conductivity. Here density, we know the basic definition of density, that is a mass by volume. The current density per unit electrical field is called as electrical conductivity. Sigma is equal to N E square tau by M. Here N is the number of the electrons per unit volume. E is the charge of the electrons. Tau is the mean collision time or relaxation time. M is the mass of the electrons. The next is the mobility of the electrons. The mobility of the electrons is defined as magnitude of drift velocity acquired by the electrons in a unit electrical field. The mobility of the electrons is defined as magnitude of the drift velocity acquired by the mobility of the electrons is defined as magnitude of the drift velocity of the electrons in an unit electrical field is known as mobility of the electrons, and that is given by mu is equal to Vd mu is equal to Vd by E. Here Vd is the drift velocity. Put the value of Vd, that is the, then get the E get cancelled, E tau by M. The next is the relation between conductivity and mobility. Here take the relation sigma is equal to N E square tau by M. Ne take one side, then E tau by M. That E tau by M is denoted as mobility of the electrons, that is the mu. Sigma is equal to Ne into mu. This is the basic concept of the free electrons theory.